doesn't, then we might be missing something. Let's double check the daily Scrum class, which is in model, and the daily Scrum class has this data and this data property here. So in our Scrums view, we need to add new Scrum data. So let's take a look at this here. So we can go ahead and add this init function. And what this init function does is it takes in a property called data, and that would fix the issue we had earlier. So if we rebuild this, now we can pass the new Scrum in. So let's continue. Now we have our